Hello everyone, this is Will again. Today we're gonna do another unboxing of the newly released iPhone 12. It's the green one, the light green. I think it's much better looking than all the other colors, even though many people could like, you know, the gold version or the white version, but I don't recommend the black one, the red one, because both of them are kind of a little bit tacky. So I chose this one, and I just got it here today. So I'm gonna open the box right now. I hope it's the right direction. There. Okay. So you should open it like this. Yes, it's quite slimmer than before the boxing because they did away with the charger, right? Actually, I think it's okay. I think it's okay for me because I have two of those fast charger with the USB Type C and the iPhone Lightning connector. So it's okay for me because I'm still using these iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 11 Pro Max. I mean. So this one is the green one, as you can see. I'm not gonna get into the phone, I'm just gonna put it out, right? Like this. Okay. Woof! It's even cooler than I thought. It's really, really nice. It's so light, it's like a cream. It's like butter. Wow, really good. Okay, let's put it right there. So this is the cable. I have a couple of these, so I'm not gonna use this, and this is the menu and everything. That's it. Okay, let's get into the phone. So the back is glossy, but here is matte. But two cameras. This is the 128 gigabyte version. Really, really nice. I want to say, it's not gonna hurt your hand. It's not gonna be sharp in your hand. I think it's all right. It's all right because still it's a smooth around the corner. I'm okay with both design, the iPhone 12 or iPhone 11. I think that they're both okay. I'm not gonna peel this off because I want to do it later. I'm just gonna show you guys. This is the power button, and this is the volume button and the mute button here, and this is a SIM card tray. I do want to get into SIM card tray to show you guys that we have dual SIM here, because I think that only happens to Chinese version, right? So okay, there you go. So this is SIM 1. Back there are another SIM you can put in, so it's pretty cool. Both 5G, I think, but not at the same time. If you go with the dual SIM, the SIM 1 will be 5G, the SIM 2 will be 4G. Okay, put it back. Okay, I think that's it. Everyone, thank you for watching this video. See you next time.